this news with you, which reads as it is. On 22nd January 2021, terrorists targeted and killed a property dealer, namely Rauf Ahmed, in Safakadal area. 22nd December 2021, 22nd December 2021, terrorists targeted and killed a property dealer, namely Rauf Ahmed, in Safakadal area. After the incident, Srinagar police started investigation into this killing. During the course of investigation, movement of some suspects was detected in Srinagar city. Based on further analysis and credible human intelligence, Srinagar police detected suspicious movement of terrorists in Baghat, Barzala area. On this, Srinagar police, along with CRPF, laid special nakas and apprehended two suspects, two terrorists. Later on, we came to know, apprehended two terrorists of proscribed terrorist organization TRF, MGF, an offshoot of LET and JEM, near Barzala Bridge. The arrested terrorists have been identified as: number 1, Suhail Qadir Khande, son of Ghulam Qadir Khande, resident of Tral, Pulwama. Second, Suhail Mushtaq Waza, son of Mushtaq Ahmed Waza, resident of Niklura, Pulwama. Both are active terrorists, already graded as in our gradation list of terrorists. During the further search, 2 pistols along with 2 pistol magazines and 30 pistol bullets were recovered on spot. On further questioning of terrorists, incriminating material, arms and ammunition, including 2 pistols, 6 pistol magazines, 69 rounds, 2 pistol silencers have been recovered from their hideouts in Srinagar city. So far, 4 pistols, 8 pistol magazines, 99 live rounds, 2 pistol silencers have been recovered in the case and have been displayed in front of you. They further identified 2 associates, namely Basit Bilal Makaya, son of Bilal Ahmed Makaya, resident of Kamarabad, Kamarwari, and Naiku Imam Nisar, son of Farooq Ahmed Bhatt, resident of Kilura, Shopia, who were operating with them as OGWs. Both associates have been arrested. In this connection, case FIR number 08-2021 of Sadar Police Station under section 725 of the Arms Act and sections 18-23 of Unlawful Activity Prevention Act has been registered in Police Station Sadar, South Zone, Srinagar. During the questioning, the arrested terrorists disclosed that they were operating in the Srinagar city on the directions of one person, namely Asif Makbul Dar, resident of MIG Colony, Babina, at present Dammam, Saudi Arabia, and Mr. Sajjad Gul, resident of HMT Parimpura, at present Pakistan. Should I repeat or clear? 1. During the questioning, the arrested terrorists disclosed that they were operating in Srinagar city on the directions of one person, namely Asif Makbul Dar, resident of MIG Colony, Bamina, at present Dammam, Saudi Arabia, and Sajjad Gul, resident of HMT Parimpura, at present Pakistan. Both the handlers from Saudi Arabia and Pakistan were providing weapons and money through a network of OGWs that is being identified. This module has also done recce of security installations like NIA office at Delhi, Delhi Police Headquarters, etc., and shared same with their handlers in Pakistan. As per the investigation, the targets in city for killings were also selected and conveyed to them by Dr. Asif and Mr. Sajjad Gul. Suhail Qadir Khande was working in Saudi Arabia with Dr. Asif Dar, and in August 2021, on the directions of Dr. Asif, he came back and started working as an operative of TRF and MGF for coordinating the collection of arms, ammunition, money and terror attacks in Srinagar city. That is all from our side. A copy of press release will be distributed among you all.
Can we say that this case will be handed over to NIA because they have carried out the recce of NIA?
Possibility cannot be ruled out, but this question pertains to higher ups in government level.
Have they been questioned by NIA?
Sir, that way will you book Asif Dar as per the terror crime? Because the way the findings are coming out?
Definitely the whole matter is under investigation, and whatever I have said, it has been given to you in writing also. Due to sensitivity of this case, nothing more can be disclosed. However, anything further comes out, definitely it will be shared with you.
Sir, how many people have they targeted? Because you have recovered the weapons and also the people. How many have got killed, or what were their further plans?
As of now, the downtown killing of that property dealer has been confirmed. Rest things are under investigation.
So can we say that case has been solved?
That case, that particular case.
Rohit Khan's case.
Yes. Thank you very much. Anything? Yes. Good reminder by my SSP Srinagar. The same link is also being found in Brij Behera murder case.
Which one?
Yes,
We can say those.
Yes, I. Yes, I was killed on that day. Yeah.
Sir, since we have seen active movements of militants in the city, recently you have started these police stations also in the city. Do you think that will add a boost in these operations when you talk about crime prevention or policing in those areas? Because these are largely huge areas.
Definitely, you will see the boost in policing also, ground presence also. Definitely, enemies are targeting the city to create valuable news at international and national level. So in the same way, police has also allotted its manpower on ground, and we have activated our own sources and our channel. In coming days, more will be there to share with you. As of now, best of luck. Thank you for coming. All this. God bless.
Yes, sir.
Majid? Majid?